I decided to do my media presentation on the effects media has on self-image. Analyzing an article by Alexis Gateway, it was found in 1953 Playboy centerfold models started getting progressively thinner all the way until 2003, when 69% of centerfolds weighed 15% or more below the expected body weight for women of their age and height. This began a forever-altering marketing scheme that portrayed thin as desirable. In 2004, Dove started its Real Beauty campaign in hopes to promote the idea that all body types and skin colors are beautiful. In 2013, Titanic actress Kate Winslet was retouched in Vogue magazine. The actress publicly decried the digitally altered image, stating, "The retouching is excessive. I do not look like that, and more importantly, I do not desire to look like that," taking a stance against body-shaming retouching in media. This goes to show that media can be both harmful and helpful in the way it portrays social ideas. Body image isn't just a women's issue, but affects men as well. According to McNeil's article, men were more muscular and lean over time because of media. The presence of muscular male models had also increased in other popular men and women's magazines, such as Men's Health and Cosmopolitan. Men in the media are often portrayed as physically as lean and muscular without emotion. In fact, the psychological effects of media often come with more personality and emotional stereotypes than body stereotypes. Media has a huge effect on the way viewers think and perceive themselves and others. One study on mental health in the media, entitled "Validity of the Blue Whale Challenge is Disputed, but Social Media's Impact on Young People's Mental Health is Real," showed many media outlets are reporting on the Blue Whale Challenge, a social media game that allegedly encourages young people to engage in self-harm and suicidal behavior. Youth are among the highest risk group for suicide, according to the CDC. 17% of grade 9 through 12 students reported seriously considering suicide in the past 12 months. Another scholarly article on the subject stated that some studies have indicated that social media use may be tied to the negative mental health outcomes, including suicidality, loneliness, and decreased empathy. See social media's use and mental health among young adults. With all of the negativity surrounding media's effect on self-image, there is a lot of good done by the media to raise awareness. For example, there are social media campaigns raising awareness and support for victims of abuse, cancer survivors, and the currently hotly debated Black Lives Matter movement. In the words of Marian Anderson, "No matter how big a nation is, it is no stronger than its weakest people. And as long as you keep a person down, some part of you has to be down there to hold him down. So it means you cannot soar as high as you might otherwise." To conclude, this class on media literacy has definitely taught me a lot of being more media conscious and observing what I absorb in the media. Becoming more literate has helped me control my own self-image a lot more. Media can be a tool for good or for evil. It is all how we choose to use it and view it. For more about my sites and my resources, you can check out these articles by McNeil, Crichton, and McKinnon. Thank you.